From the next road trip, greetings. Performance and style on the road are redefined by the distinctive design of this 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome. Instead of just a truck, we're looking at a statement piece in 2026. With a new Kenworth grille, sharp adaptive LED headlights, and body lines that combine efficiency and flair, its powerful aerodynamic appearance matches its unmatched power. A 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that can produce up to 605 horsepower and an amazing 2050 lb-ft of torque sits beneath all of this luxury. The power is well distributed in conjunction with an Eaton Fuller 12-speed automatic gearbox, ensuring a smooth and pleasant ride that can gracefully traverse any terrain. Its striking appearance, which features a two-tone metallic paint job, custom aluminum wheels, and an automatic slide-out function that expands the inside when parked, makes every stop an extravagant show. As you enter, you are greeted with the cockpit, which doubles as a control area and an ergonomic command center. The dashboard of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome is adorned with genuine wood accents and premium mastic leather. It also has a fully configurable digital instrument cluster that displays all relevant data in high resolution. A quick dual touchscreen infotainment display that seamlessly combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto serves as the navigation and communication core. For smooth visibility, a 360-degree video system is also integrated. The driver and front passenger get leather-trimmed air seats with heating, cooling, and massaging features to make every mile more pleasant. From the cockpit, you enter a spacious, luxurious living area designed for leisure and entertainment. A spacious living area with an L-shaped, luxurious leather sofa that can be used as a bed thanks to a motorized slide-out mechanism is accessible from this portion. Large windows and automatic shutters offer vast vistas, yet multi-zone LED ambient lighting always creates the perfect atmosphere. An unmatched mobile entertainment experience is produced by pairing a discrete widescreen smart TV with a surround sound system of theatrical grade. It's quiet and peaceful in the main bedroom. Its excellent orthopedic mattress and luxurious king-size bed guarantee a restful night's sleep. This has a full-size closet with built-in dressing table, hidden storage drawers, and mirrored doors. The five-star hotel features a second flat-screen TV and a personal music system. Its wide windows with blackout curtains let it just enough light to ensure the finest possible sleep. The bathroom of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome is an opulent yet useful retreat. It's bigger than you might think for a motorhome, and it features a walk-in shower with a glass wall, a rain shower head, and good water pressure, as well as a granite sink with a designer faucet and a porcelain toilet with an efficient flush system. Anywhere you go, a large mirror with built-in LED lighting and hotel-style storage drawers completes the rejuvenating shower experience. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome's kitchen allows for the preparation of delectable meals while traveling. This area is a chef's dream, complete with home-sized stainless steel equipment including a dishwasher, a 4-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator and freezer next to each other. Spacious granite or quartz counters offer enough workspace, and many storage cabinets with soft-closed drawers ensure that all of your equipment and supplies are kept safely and neatly out of sight. 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome. It's more than just a car, it's a lifestyle.